Hello all, we have a very simple code here where in the main function an array is declared and then we are calling a function get sum of by passing the array and an integer number 5, okay, and then the return value of this particular function is saved in result and that is printed. Now what we are doing is in this function which is called we are having parameters as array and an integer, and we have declared an integer sum, okay, and we have initialized it to 0. Now below we have a simple for loop where we are actually starting from I is equal to 0 until I less than or equal to n, where n is the integer and I plus plus, and we are actually trying to take each individual array element and sum them. Like the output expected here is 1 2 3 4 5. That means the for loop has to run through the entire array, and it has to add each element one by one. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. That means the output expected must be 15 here. Now if you run this, you are getting 15 without any issues. Now we are taking another online debugger, same code, there is no change at all, okay, and let us try to run this code. When you run this code, you see that sum is 32781. Come on, for anyone, if they want to simply test their code, if example if they have used this and this particular online compiler, they actually got a different value. What is the difference here? Okay, if you see the difference between this particular code and this particular code is it's basically how the compiler is treating. That's a separate thing. But if you see, there is a bug in this particular code. If you actually look at this for loop, what we are doing is we are starting the iteration from I is equal to 0, and the iteration continues until I is less than or equal to n. That means array of 0, array of 1, array of 2, array of 3, 4 and 5. That means total of 6 elements are considered here, whereas the actual array declared here has only 5 elements. So that means the 6th element here, the 6th element is considered as 0, whereas here the 6th element is a garbage value, which actually is not a correct output, right? So a simple scenario which actually here should be less than n, such that that loop iterates only till 5 values of array, and if you run this, you can see here sum is equal to 15. Now here also, in case this is already giving us the required output, but the code has some bug in it, okay, so now the code is successful and it is giving 15. A very simple scenario where a coder can sometimes get blindfolded by compiling and thinking that everything is fine by doing a small mistake, by introducing a small bug here, okay. Yeah, it explains, right, how small errors unknowingly can produce unintended results. Hope we gave a little glimpse on simple errors that can occur. Please post if you have any questions. Thank you.